If you're ready to tackle DIY metalwork projects, having the right welder makes all the difference. In today's video, we've picked the top 5 best home use MIG welder, delivers clean, strong welds with user-friendly controls, making it ideal for beginners and hobbyists working on household repairs. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. YESWELDER 135 amp. The YESWELDER 135 amp is a highly versatile and budget-friendly welding machine that manages to combine impressive functionality with portability. This 3-in-1 unit supports gasless flux-core MIG, stick, and lift TIG welding, though the TIG function requires an additional torch. It's well-suited for a variety of applications, from home repair projects to light industrial work. Delivering a solid 135 amp output, it can handle mild steel pieces up to 2/5 inches thick, providing enough power for most common home and DIY welding tasks. One of the standout features is its synergetic control, which automatically adjusts voltage according to the wire feed speed. While still allowing fine voltage tuning, this makes it beginner-friendly without compromising on the precision professionals might expect. The digital display adds a modern touch, offering clear, real-time monitoring of current and settings. At just 11.4 pounds, it's light and compact, easy to carry with a built-in handle, making it ideal for portable projects. An extra bonus is the inclusion of a 2LB spool of E71TS 0.30-inch flux-core wire, allowing users to weld immediately without needing additional equipment. This wire offers smooth arc performance and all-position welding versatility. With added safety features like hot start and arc force for stick welding, the YESWELDER 135 amp packs high-end functionality into an affordable, lightweight package that appeals to both hobbyists and experienced welders alike. Number 2. Best MIG 135A Welder. The Best MIG 135A welder stands out as a powerful and well-equipped 3-in-1 welding machine tailored for both novice and experienced welders. Offering MIG, lift TIG, and stick welding capabilities, this unit produces a reliable 135 amp output, handling materials up to 1/8 inch thick. What makes this model particularly attractive is its comprehensive accessory kit, which includes a ground clamp, electrode holder, welding gun, leather gloves, and an auto-darkening welding helmet that can convert into goggles. The digital technology integrated into the Best MIG 135A makes welding more accessible for beginners by automatically adjusting voltage and wire speed based on input settings. Simply load the wire, connect the gun, and you're ready to weld. No complicated gas setups necessary. Compatible with gasless flux-cored MIG wire ranging from 0.030 to 0.040, it efficiently handles stainless steel, carbon steel, and thicker materials. Its versatility makes it suitable for a range of applications, whether for home projects, workshop tasks, or even light factory work. Safety and ease of use are top priority with this welder, ensuring a smooth learning curve for beginners without sacrificing performance for experienced users. The comprehensive accessories and beginner-friendly design make the Best MIG 135A a complete, ready-to-use package for anyone looking to start or expand their welding capabilities. Number 3. Arc Captain 130A MIG. The Arc Captain 130A MIG welder offers an ideal combination of user-friendly controls, reliable performance, and multi-process capability, perfect for both beginners and seasoned welders handling home projects and light repairs. Its 3-in-1 functionality includes flux-core gasless MIG, lift TIG, and MMA stick welding modes, covering a wide range of tasks. The synergic control feature automatically adjusts current and wire feeding speed after selecting the wire diameter, 0.30, 0.35, or 0.40, significantly simplifying the welding process for newcomers. The MIG function is optimized for carbon steel, stainless steel, and thicker steel, making it suitable for home repairs, outdoor fixes, farm equipment, and more. Safety is built into the design with overcurrent, overload, overheat, and overvoltage protections, extending the machine's lifespan and ensuring user safety. Weighing a manageable 11.79 pounds, it's portable enough for on-the-go jobs with a convenient handle or shoulder strap option. The package is impressively complete, including a MIG torch, ground clamp, electrode holder, 2-pound flux-core wire, various nozzles, a brush and hammer combo, and a detailed user manual. This makes it ready to use straight out of the box. Number 4. Bestark 130A MIG. The Bestark 130A MIG welder is a highly adaptable 3-in-1 machine that efficiently handles gas and gasless MIG, lift TIG, and stick welding processes. Offering a maximum 145 amp output, it supports a variety of wire sizes, including .030, .035, and .040 flux-core wires, and .030 solid wire. This flexibility makes it suitable for welding stainless steel, carbon steel, and thicker steel sections. The standout feature is its advanced digital screen display, providing real-time voltage and current readings, allowing users to make precise adjustments without removing their welding helmet. This greatly enhances efficiency, especially during detailed projects. The Synergic control system intelligently matches recommended voltage and wire feed speed while allowing manual current adjustments, making it approachable for beginners yet customizable for seasoned welders. Additionally, it operates seamlessly on 110/220 dual voltage inputs, automatically identifying and adjusting to the input power. This versatility ensures reliable performance in various work environments, from home garages to on-site jobs. Overall, the Bestark 130A MIG offers exceptional value through its blend of functionality, safety, and modern convenience. Number 5. SSIMD MIG Welder 140A. The SSIMD MIG Welder 140A is a compact, powerful, and dual-voltage welding solution designed for versatility and ease of use. This 2-in-1 multi-process welder supports both flux-core gasless MIG and stick MMA, working efficiently with .030 and .035 flux-core wires. It's capable of welding steel and alloy materials ranging from 0.8 mm to 3.0 mm thick. One of its most appealing features is the smart Synergic control system, which automatically optimizes voltage settings based on selected parameters, simplifying operation for both beginners and experienced users. At only 9 pounds, it's highly portable, equipped with a sturdy handle for easy transport. This makes it an excellent choice for home repairs, DIY projects, farm maintenance, and light industrial work. The package comes fully equipped with an electrode holder, ground clamp, 0.8 mm flux-core wire, conversion cord for dual voltage use, MIG gun, and torch accessories.